Welcome to the installation of the Malone MegaWing Kayak Cradles for large fishing kayaks. The MegaWing comes with universal mounting hardware that fits most crossbars and can carry a kayak weighing up to 150 pounds. To begin the installation, determine which length bolts you need and place them into the 2 hex holes in the middle of the cradle. Place the caps on, then put the metal bracket onto the bolts and lightly tighten one wing nut onto the bolt. Next, place the MegaWing on top of your bar and swing the metal bracket around underneath your crossbar and tighten both wing nuts until they are very snug. If you have unsymmetrical wing bars, you may need to tighten one side more than the other. Once both MegaWings are attached, you can now load your kayak on top. Be sure that the kayak's weight is evenly distributed. Next, ensure that you tie down the kayak with the load straps. To do this, make sure that your straps lay flat against the kayak's hull. Take the free end of the tie-down strap and route it down through the outermost slot on the cradle, and wrap it around the crossbar and back up through the inner slot. Repeat this on the opposite side of the cradle, but remember to loop the strap on the inside of the tower to avoid the strap from slipping off the end of the bar during transportation. Then, position the buckle on the top edge of the kayak and feed the free end of the strap through the cam buckle and cinch it tight. And that's it, you're all set. Thank you for watching our video demonstration. If you have any questions or concerns, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.